Right guys, what I want to show you today is this new crypto signal service that I've come across. Been using it for quite a few weeks now and having some unbelievable results. Today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite groups and showing exactly how you can get started for free. I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for educational purposes only. Right, here we have it, guys. I have it side by side. The group is on the left and the website is on the right. The website is SignalPeak.io. And like it says here, embark on a journey to unlock potential cryptocurrency trading with SignalPeak. Over 100 premium Telegram channels. Now, they're not lying either. There are signals from the likes of Fed Russian, Alex Friedman, Master of Binance, Binance Killers, and The Bull. The Bull is the one I'm going to be showing you because I like this group, because not only does it give you the signals, but it breaks down with different charts, analysis, but also fundamentals as well. So it has everything in there. So you really can learn and take the signals at the same time. Now, the good reason for SignalPeak is because they not only have a free trial, like I said in the intro, nice, easy one-day trial, but you can do monthly or even a lifetime option. Now, that's $350 for life. Now, what do you get from that? You get over 100 premium Telegram channels, futures, spot, alt signals, intraday scalps, standing, swing trades, depending on what you want to do. They honestly have an option for you. Not only that, but they have a 92% accuracy, 24/7 support, and the largest learning material library for trading in the world. Okay, so let's just take a look at the Bull. This is on the left-hand side of the screen. And as you can see here, when I go up, let me just scroll up and show you some of the fundamentals, some of the chart analysis. So for example here, he's basically showing exactly how you can do it. He's telling you what it is, where your entry requirement is, where you should put your stop loss and your TPs as well. Not only that, but he does break it down for you as well. And as we scroll down, you can see that he's doing the fundamentals as well. He's basically telling you how ETH and Sol is truly terrifying and doing something, either they don't want the price to go up or they just have stables left. So honestly, with all this chart analysis, plus this as well, Bitcoin monthly returns. And then when we look at one of the signals that he's provided, he provided one in the last couple of days. Yep, this one's it. So Omni, so this is how it's laid out. It'll be Omni/USDT. Entry is 4.57 to 4.6. So it gives you that window of opportunity. If you're not at 4.57, but you're at 4.59, he's still telling you to enter. Targets are 4.97, 5.32, 5.74, 6.20, 6.69. And the stop loss will be below the daily close at 4.09. Now, as we scroll down, we can see that the Binance, Bybit, Spot, Omni, all entry targets achieve. Average entry price of 4.58. So he hit the massive 6.69. You can either wait for the final TP, or what I like to do is pick a happy medium. I like to secure the profits. However, a lot of these do run to the full TP, but my personal trading plan, I just take the half one and then I run with it. But I know a lot of people that do take 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 entries and close it at every point that they do mention. But not only that, like I said, he does give a really good description about the fundamentals and everything along that sense. If you are interested, head on over to SignalPeak.io and start your free trial today. Simply click on that. You get 1 day, you have access to everything. And if you go for the lifetime option, not only do you get access to everything, but when more groups are being put in, you will get access to them with no added cost. There we have it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. That was the Bull group with SignalPeak.io. Click down in the description for your free trial today. Do me a big favor, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.